Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Vicmars Ultimate Shockproof case for the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. As you can probably tell, this is a fully MagSafe compatible case by Vicmars, but it also offers extremely strong protection. That's because it is a dual layer construction. You have a harder outer PC shell, which is rugged. It resists impact, it resists scratches, it resists any type of smudging. That's on the outside, all around the outside. Then on the inside, you have a nice, softer TPU inner shell. And you can see it has those air pockets all the way around the inside. You've got reinforced, thicker corners. So this is going to absorb 98% of the impact if you drop your phone, versus a single layer case that absorbs only about 40%. So this is going to significantly increase the durability of your phone in case of drops. And you know, that's why we have cases on our phones, to protect them. And this is going to do as good of a job as you can possibly get done with that, which is great. So that's what it has. Let's get it on my phone so you can see what it fits, how it fits and what it looks like when it's on the phone, and we'll check out all the features. Get it in there good, nice and easy to get on there, and there you go. It's a nice, simple case, and nice look. Got that sort of matte finish on the back. This is going to resist any type of smudges. You can see my fingerprints are always my fingers are always greasy, but no smudges on there, which is nice. So it's going to keep your phone looking sleek and nice and clean. You've got just that slight shadow that indicates the MagSafe, which I love. Very subtle, but very cool. And these are really strong magnets. So this is going to be compatible with all of your MagSafe devices, whether that's a MagSafe charger or a dock in your car or anything else. This is going to stick. It's not going to have any issues. Super strong magnets in this, so that's great. Then you've got that shell. You can see there's that dual layer shell with that outer TPU, and then you've got the the outer PC hard shell and the inner TPU, and you can see the corners are slightly thicker, and you've got air cushions all the way around to really protect your phone. You've got a raised bezel around the camera lenses, so those are going to be protected, especially if you're laying your phone down flat on the back. And then on the front, you've got a slightly raised lip all the way around the front. So again, if you lay your phone down flat on the front, it's going to be protected there as well. You've got nice covers for your buttons, nice tactile feel to those, which is great. Over here on this side, again, button covers, nice tactile feel in the volume buttons, and then also your brand new action button. Again, no more cutout because it's just a button, so a nice button and nice tactile feedback with that as well. And then down here on the bottom, you've got perfect cutouts for that USB-C port, as well as your speakers, so that you can get full sound. It's hard to see this, but you can probably see right there, slight little cutout, so that you've got full access to the speaker piece that's up in the top of the phone as well. So everything is designed perfectly. It fits perfect. You've got that dual layer ultimate protection, but it's not a super thick case. I mean, it's going to really protect your phone without being overly adding a ton of bulk to your phone, which is great. It fits nice in the hand. It's not slippery. I love that. That nice matte finish. It's grippy, so it doesn't fall out of your hand at all, but it also isn't sticky like some of those TPU shells get really sticky on the outside, the rubbery ones. You know what I'm talking about. You try to get it out of your pocket and your whole pocket comes out with it. You're not going to have that issue with this. It's nice and smooth, slides in and out of your pocket without any issue, but still grippy, so you're not going to have to worry about it sliding out of your hand when you don't want it to. Really excellent case from Vicmars. It's going to give you all the protection you need. It's going to give you that full MagSafe compatibility, and just really keep your phone looking good and protected. If you're looking for a case with the ultimate level of protection that is MagSafe compatible for your iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, then this is definitely a case that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click the like button. If you don't know who might be interested, share the product with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.